Welcome to this tutorial on linking WordPress gallery images to any page or URL in just 5 minutes. We will start by opening your web browser and navigating to WordPress. When you arrive at the WordPress homepage, direct your attention to the upper right hand corner of the page where you will find the login option. Clicking on this login option will bring you to the authentication stage. At the login interface, you are presented with several sign-in options. For convenience, select the option that allows you to continue with Google. This step simplifies the login process by utilizing your existing Google account credentials. After clicking on the Continue with Google option, a new screen displays the list of available Google accounts. Choose the account you prefer to use with WordPress. Once you select your account, WordPress authenticates your credentials and takes you to a new view where you can manage your website. Now that you are logged in, locate the section labeled Quick Links on the dashboard. Within this Quick Links section, you will see an option that invites you to edit your site. Click on this Edit Site option to enter the editing environment of your website. In the site editor, your website's layout and design components are fully visible, allowing you to make live changes and customizations. With the site editor open, focus on finding your website within the editing interface. Click on the website to start working on the design and content modifications. Here you will be directed to the interactive editing mode where you can easily access various elements of your site, including your gallery images. After entering the editing mode, locate the specific gallery image that you want to link to another page or URL. Clicking on the gallery image signals that you wish to modify its settings. Once you have selected your image, look above the image for a linking icon. The linking icon, which often resembles a chain, is prominently placed in the toolbar of the image settings. Click on this icon to reveal further options for linking the image. Among the linking options displayed, choose the option labeled Link to Image File. Selecting this option generates a URL that is directly associated with the image file itself. Now that you have the link, you can easily copy it and use it elsewhere on your website. This link can be inserted into other pages or posts, creating a seamless navigation path for your users. With your gallery image now linked, you can integrate the new URL into any page or post where you would like the image to serve as an interactive element. The process enhances your website by allowing images to function as gateways, directing visitors to additional content or specific destinations on your site. Following these steps will make your website more dynamic and user-friendly, while also simplifying the process of linking images to other sections of your site. Thank you for following this tutorial on linking WordPress gallery images to any page or URL. By carefully following these instructions, you have successfully learned how to utilize WordPress's built-in features for creating interactive and engaging websites. Enjoy the enhanced functionality and ease of navigation that these techniques provide.